Okay, our lesson for today is about congruent triangles. So draw a rectangle. Okay, then cut along its diagonal to form two triangles. Tiin lang natin siya sa gitna. Okay? Ngayon, imagine na paghihiwalay natin tong two triangles. Yan. To be more accurate, gagamit tayo ng Microsoft Office. Okay, so now that we have triangles, and then hati na natin siya sa gitna. Okay, paghiwalay natin. So now we have two triangles. So let us investigate these two triangles. Okay, that's it all. We have two triangles. Okay, so try nating pagpatungin yung dalawang triangle. Okay, so magkagaya lang ba sila? Okay, let's label this one as triangle H A I, triangle L E Y. Okay, in this illustration we can say that H corresponds to L, A corresponds to E, A corresponds to E, I corresponds to Y, it's I and Y. And let's talk about angles. So angle H, so this angle, okay, corresponds to angle L, angle L. This, okay, and angle A corresponds to angle E. Angle A, angle E. Okay. Angle I corresponds to angle Y. Angle I to angle Y. So this symbol, that denotes correspondence, and it is read as correspondent to. So notice that the matching parts of the triangles here, okay, fit exactly. So the matching parts are equal in measure. Therefore, the corresponding parts of the triangles are congruent, and you say that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so two triangles are congruent. So we can say that triangle HAI is congruent to triangle LEY. Okay, let's talk about the sides. Okay, side HA corresponds to which side? Side LE. Okay, so this denotes the angle, and this line denotes a line or a side. So HA, this is side HA, corresponds to side LE. Okay, side AI corresponds to side EY. Side IH corresponds to side YL. To indicate the congruence of triangle, we use this symbol. Okay, so angle A, this can be read as angle A, okay, is congruent or has the same measure to angle B. Okay, okay, note the two triangles are congruent if and only if their corresponding sine and angles are congruent. Okay, so let us these two triangles as an example. Okay, so we can name this one as triangle INT and triangle MUD. Okay, so in two triangles above, you can identify congruent or using special markings. Okay, so look at this one. Side IN has 3 bars. Okay, and this side MD or MU has also, so the two sides are congruent. Okay, look at this one. Side NT has 2 lines. Side UD has also 2 lines. So therefore, side NT and side UD are congruent. Okay, what about this one? Side IT, okay, this has 1 line, and side MD also has 1 line. Okay, so the two of them are congruent. So this must be okay. Okay, next let's talk about the angles. So angle I, so this angle I is congruent to angle M. Angle M, so they have the same marking. This one, okay. Then this one has 3, so it's congruent to this side as well. Okay, so that was it. Next is this one. So it has the same marking as this one. So angle T is congruent to angle D. Okay. Now using these two triangles, let's try and name the corresponding angles and corresponding side of this triangle. Okay, we can say that angle I is congruent to angle M. Okay, next is angle N is congruent to angle U. Okay, so the markings can help you identify so which angles or which sides are congruent. Next is angle T is congruent to angle D. So that's all the congruent angles. Okay, this one are congruent. Okay, okay, how about the sides? Okay, So let's talk about the side. Okay, side IN is congruent to side MU. Okay, that is because of this marking, we know that they are congruent. Okay, next is side NT. So that's how we name congruent sides and angles. And TI. So they are congruent. So this side and this side. Okay. Next is side MD is congruent to side IT. Okay.